Now, one of the great phrases associated with all this land reclamation and engineering by the Dutch is that God created the earth, but the Dutch made Holland. And I think that's actually a really interesting theme kind of for the tour here, because what does that indicate about the Dutch? Well, first, basically from their foundation, they had to work together. So there's a great sense of cooperation among the Dutch. But combined with that is that if we imagine, compared to most of Europe, which was particularly in the medieval period, ruled by kings or by great sort of dukes or counts with their landed estates and their manors, these marshy lands around Holland and Amsterdam in particular were ruled by anybody. And so once the land was reclaimed, it was the citizens themselves of these burgeoning cities, fishing ports, trading centers, that became sort of the masters of their own, not only domains, but the masters of their own work. And so and we'll see later on in the tour, as time goes on and first of all the Holy Roman Empire, which was ruled over, technically what the Dutch lands were a part of was the Holy Roman Empire, ruled from Vienna. More sort of locally, geographically, the Holy Roman Empire was ruled from Brussels as the kind of local administration. And so as time goes on and these cities, including Amsterdam in Holland, start to become more wealthy, start generating more tax revenue, and that's going to be one of the kind of sticking points, as we'll see, the great war with Spain that happens in the golden age of the Netherlands, the 1500s and the 1600s. The fact that Amsterdammers, let's say in particular, were always very fond of, very keen of their own individual liberties. And one of the ways that I think, in my mind, interestingly can be seen is this grand building that we've got here. Nowadays, it's the Royal Palace, but that's actually wasn't built for that purpose. It was only kind of halfway through its occupancy that it became a royal palace. When it was first built in the 1650s, it was built as the municipal city hall. And so right there, I think that's a great indication of where the power in Amsterdam, certainly during its golden age, lied. The fact that here it was the city masters themselves that building a great palace and not a king.